Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to autosave any message on Snapchat. Messages on Snapchat normally disappear after 24 hours or right after you close the chat. So I'll show you how to save them forever and they'll autosave. Before you do anything, always make sure that your Snapchat is all the way updated so that there are no bugs. So first things first, open up Snapchat. And once you are on Snapchat, go over to the chat feed and find the chat that you want to turn on autosave on. So let's say I want to turn on the autosave for your mom's chat feed. As you can see, I have these messages and I don't want them to disappear after I leave this chat. So what you're going to want to do to make it so it does not delete them, I've already turned it on, but go back to your chat feed and then long hold on the chat. So long hold on whatever chat you want to save. And then once you are here, click on chat settings. It should be the third option down. Once you get here, there should be an option that says delete chats. Click on that, and there will be two options, after viewing and 24 hours after viewing. So you'll want to turn on 24 hours after viewing. It just means that it will delete 24 hours after viewing instead of right away, as soon as you go out of the chat. So click on 24 hours and then go back to your chat that you want to autosave on. Now, once you are here, to autosave any chat, you're going to want to click on the chat that you want to save. And once you click on it, it will save it forever. So you can just do that to whatever chats you want, and they will be saved and they won't ever be deleted. And they won't ever disappear either. So that's how you do it. You can do it for as many messages as you want. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.